And we want to welcome you into 11 Alive News at 4 for your Tuesday. We start with this. Today, an attorney for Harrison Floyd asked a Fulton County judge to let them recount the 2020 election results.
Right now, Faith, they are saying this is necessary to defend Floyd in the Georgia election interference case involving former President Donald Trump and more than a dozen others. 11 Alive's Grace King joining us live outside the courthouse. And Grace, they're really right now asking for a lot of documents.
Right, hundreds of thousands of ballots to be exact, which is why the county and Floyd's legal team can't reach an agreement on how to get that done. Here's why it matters. The indictment accuses Floyd of conspiring to solicit false statements from Ruby Freeman, an election worker in Fulton County. It specifies how many times he attempted to contact Freeman and when, but it doesn't say what false statements he wanted Freeman to make. Floyd's attorneys say turning over what they've asked for will help them prove there were no false statements made, regardless of the accusations. Attorney Joshua Schiffer, who isn't affiliated with this case, told me that's a common defense strategy.
This evidence is some of the best evidence the defendants would be able to use to show they had a reason to make these phone calls and to take the actions they did to preserve the integrity of the election.
Now, the county isn't refusing to turn over the documents, but said it could take more than 57,000 hours of work to get it done. So Judge Scott McAfee asked Floyd's legal team to amend their request, narrow the scope of it, and explain how their law firm could possibly help make that request happen in a more timely manner. Live in downtown Atlanta, Grace King, 11 Alive News.